I'm about to learn how to prepare kose, and I'm so excited about it. The only challenge is we have a language barrier, but at least we'll still try and communicate. Then okay, I should sit down. Now I'm seated. Okay, please tell me, what am I going to do?
You are going to want to stir the kose flour.
I should stir the kose flour. So is there a way I have to stir it? Like this?
You stir it like that. So that if you cut it here, it will be out. It will not be down.
It will float.
It will be.
So you have to do this until it's properly mixed. And for you to know that it's properly mixed, when you put it in the water, just a little bit, it will be floating. And that is how they used to tell whether it's properly mixed. This is a lot of work. Am I doing it right? Right now, my master is paying me. So we're about to add onions. Charlie, I'm really tired. My master is paying me, and this is what I saw her doing without struggle. It was so easy for her. I believe she's used to it. My heart, I'm tired.
The scent in it. They had the onion scent in it, so that made it. It's like when you prepare something, some drink, and add flavor to it.
The onion we added is supposed to give it that nice flavor. What do they use in making kose?
Ka abisia. Then dan visually Allah kwamam.
They will soak the beans in the night.
Kaje wanya. Karuku kangmana wa yu kala diala.
So the following morning, then they will remove it from the water and dry them.
Kala diala wo ko ne kala daga asanara tagara na aba.
When it gets dry, they take it to the grinding mill. Okay. When it gets dry, they take it to the grinding mill just to remove the cover, the holes in there.
Then na tagara na bahan sumana. Tampana de niya.
When they remove the coals, then they grind it into powder. When they grind it into powder, then they will just come and soak it this way. Then started stirring it this way.
Did they add any other thing to it, or this is just beans flour?
You don't add anything, except the onion you've seen in it.
How long has she been doing it? Is she excited?
She mean when she started doing it, it's about 30 good years now. Yes. No one order, but 1 year. That means it's having a lot of profit in human being.
The beans flour grinded, going through the whole process, and then it's brought to this level. And after that, they mix it, and in mixing, we add onions to it. We add other flavors, right? Like some people add a little bit of salt, others don't. And after that, we wait for it to get a little bit softer, and then we'll go through the whole frying process. So let's enjoy this moment and let's mix. This traditional mixing. Mommy, am I doing it right? Ooh, I'm tired already. It's not easy, It's not easy at all. Like, I can't believe that they have to manually do this. Like, time and I have chiwe. And you're ready yet? And you're ready, cry. Hey, and to me. Oh, okay. It says it's not yet done. My bread. Miss Yamia. Hey, hey, mommy. My bread. My bread, cry. This is also the kose bread, and we usually take bread and dip it in the kose. That is how they have the kose bread. So it's just trying different skills, different food experience, and yeah. to come. But this is the whole frying process. The spoon is the measurement, and we take 1 spoon and dip it in. Yes. It's not easy like. It has been amazing doing this video. I've enjoyed myself coming to experience this culture with these amazing women. They're taking me through how their kose is prepared here. It feels interesting and they were excited to invite me and I feel honored about it. This is how kose looks when it's ready and it tastes nice as well. So when you find yourself in Wa, don't forget to try the local food here, especially the kose. And it usually go with cocoa, but I chose to eat it just like this because I wanted to have that separate experience. Yeah. You want some? The first crunchy. This is our local donut too. They use groundnut oil to zone. Very healthy and the taste is absolutely different. Alright guys, so thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and any other thing you want to see in my next video, just leave a comment below and I'll do that. For now, bye!